So tips for being successful at uni, if you're thinking about starting, would be to really get organised. I found that to be the biggest help in my life, just working out a schedule, working out when things are due, working out how to socialise, jobs to find as well. That was something I wish I'd done earlier, was found a part-time job, because that would have really helped boost that money at the start of semester.
Speak to people who have been before you. So say, hi, this is what I'm thinking of doing, what advice do you have for me?
The university is really big and everything, but it's not as scary as they make it out to be. People are here, people as well, and to make friends with their lecturers and tutors, because they love when people ask them for help.
Get accustomed to accessing a lot of information online. I know that's one thing I had to adjust to a lot, so it's good to be prepared to access a lot of information online.
Know what you want and know that it's okay if that changes.
For people who are preparing to start uni, they should think about money, where they're going to stay, living arrangements.
Also make sure you've got a good source of income, or at least a safety net. So because I live with my parents, I know if I ever get stuck with cash or anything, I can rely on them to help me out. But make sure you've got a job lined up or something so you've got some more money coming through.
Also be prepared to be a little bit tight with money. It's not as hard as what everyone makes out to be, but you do have to be budget conscious.
My advice for students preparing right now for uni is know your course content. If you're doing Rome, 101, maybe go out and get a book on Rome.
Attend orientation week. There's a lot of people that you can meet, a lot of services available during that week that will help you adjust to university life.
Be prepared to work insanely hard for several weeks of every semester. You have the assessment period and exam period where you just have to hide away in a study cave.
Don't be afraid of your lecturers, don't be afraid of them. Contact them, the emails are on the website. Email them and say, what are we going to learn? Is there anything I should read? What should I look over? And they'll tell you, and that gives you a great head start, and it'll get you involved in that world of uni, and it's practice for the later years, and you'll just know how to do it when you've done it 100 times. It'll be second nature.